Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp Google storage problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then go to the search, scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Now go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it works. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or maybe clear data. But be careful. If you clear data, all the documents and all the files and the media and the settings and the messages will be deleted. So be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.